Okay, reading detectives, today you are going to tell me what you learned from the story. Remember, when we write to tell what we learned, we're writing a detail about the main topic from the story. Let's review the criteria for finding details. A detail is from the story. It is just a piece, and it is about the main idea. To be a good reading detective and find a detail from the story, first you need to look at the pictures. Then read the title. Read the story. Ask yourself, what did I learn? Remember, a detail has to be from the story, just a piece, and about the main idea. All right, super reading detectives.